certain lands, even in the Comunidade of Asagao also, where a 100 square meter illegal construction is taking place in a 1 lakh square meter land. If the government regularizes that 100 square meters, what is going to happen to the other part of the land? The Comunidade of Asagao will never be able to use that land, because that will only open the doors for more and more illegal constructions to happen there. Tomorrow, even if the Comunidade of Asagao wants to take a project where there is a 100 square meter encroachment and it is regularized by the government, the person's name will enter in the Form 114, and for anything and everything, the Comunidade of Asagao will be at the mercy of that encroacher. How are we to take cognizance of the fact that a total non-person, a non-Gaukar, an outsider, holds the Comunidade of Asagao to ransom? So it should not be allowed under any circumstances for any regularization in any land. The third thing is that local Goans, local people of Goa are very law abiding. They never do illegal things. This regularization of the government, what it is deeming to regularize these structures, will only open the floodgates to more and more illegal constructions. Just imagine if till 2025 the government decides to regularize all the structures, how long will it take for these migrants who start constructions on Friday and end it by Monday, to create papers, to build structures and do these illegal constructions overnight and finish all the land that is there in the Comunidade?
We need Comunidades to come together. We need Comunidades to protect what is precious to Goa and its pristine lands, its culture and its traditions. Nobody can protect Goa like the Comunidades could. I have nothing to say. I am so glad that all the other Comunidad presidents, the treasurers have given what. When I speak to them, I gain so much. I am the first time attorney.
What I want to say is the immense kind of support that we've got. Yesterday we were in Salsette. 2 days we spent in Salsette. Every Comunidad that we went, they were so hospitable and they did everything that was required to be done to organize the meetings, to come forward and show us their individual Comunidades. And each of the Comunidades had so much to offer in terms of knowledge, in terms of the traditions, the heritage. So I think it's